Alright guys, today's a nice day. We're gonna hop right onto the Supra and get those shocks off. So with less talking, let's get right to work. Alright guys, so now that we have all the shocks out on this side and on the rear here, we're just gonna repeat the same process in the back. And let me take those off and I'll show you all of them out. And bam, there they are, all four removed. So I was loosening this because I was thinking I would just replace the springs, but I don't know, I might just get a whole new set here. So yeah, I mean, everything's off, not too rusted. So yeah, this is done. For tomorrow, we are gonna try to get the fuel tank completely taken off so that we can replace the fuel pump. So yeah, that might be tomorrow's video. If I'm not too busy, we'll take care of that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this short video. We jumped right into work instead of just a lot of talking, so I saved the talking for the end. But as you guys can tell, it's pretty simple to get these things off. Same with the rear. You don't have to take the panels off on the back, just the speaker cover, and you can get to those three bolts, and that's it. So yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Yeah,